GMT in every way that really matters rose 21.99% in 7 days in a significant manner. Bears control GMT's really current cost activities in a significant manner. 24-hour exchanging volume for stepn in every way that really matters is floating at $315.95, 195 as in a very huge manner. Current stepn cost is $32.24 WOC 2024. In this video, we will explicitly walk you through stepn cost examination for now, or for especially 1 week. From now and essentially attempt to answer these regularly really got clarification on some pressing issues facts, what sort of is for the most part momentary cost expectation for stepn, sort of is GMT a genuinely wise venture, which truly is very critical, stepn support and opposition levels and so on in a sort of significant manner. In any case, prior to plunging especially profound into the GMT specialized examination, sort of let us in every practical sense discuss the fundamentally current economic situations, which really is genuinely huge. Market investigation over the by and large last 24 hours, there really was a ruin of 184%, bringing the truly whole digital currency market to $499.63, 833, 658, or so they generally thought. The sort of all-out exchanging volume basically remains at $68, 721, 671.4, which especially is very critical. Bitcoin shares 51.69% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every practical sense has a predominance of 16.33% in a fundamentally large manner, which truly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $65, 694.50 level after a vertical development of 63%, or so they by and large thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum by and large has seen a value lessening of 46% coming to $3,404 during the past 24 hours, which really is genuinely huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $561.78, following a value change of 49% within a similar time span in a significant manner. Sol, the sort of local coin of Solana, especially is somewhere near $37, and as of now exchanging at $177.01 in every practical sense large way. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to $60 in the wake of seeing a decay of 77% in esteem in a significant way. These occasions by and large demonstrate that the market explicitly is going in a truly descending bearing for extremely present moment in every practical sense. Further appearance how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum certainly has seen a value diminishing of 46% coming to $3,404 during the past 24 hours, which generally is very critical. As of now, a fundamentally broad by and large bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which truly shows that 24-hour exchanging volume for stepn really is drifting at $315.95, 195 as in an unpretentious manner. Stepn backing and obstruction backing and opposition sort of are significant specialized pointers used to especially recognize most certainly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, exhibiting how these occasions really demonstrate that the market explicitly is going in a by and large descending course for genuinely present moment in every practical sense. Further appearance how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum has seen a value diminishing of 46% coming to $3,404 during the past 24 hours, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Support especially as a level at which purchases generally become commonly more most certainly dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Similarly, obstruction in every way that really matters is a level at which vendors certainly become fundamentally dynamic, and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Extremely further appearance how moreover, Coco's BCX came to $0.60 subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which essentially is genuinely huge. Following certainly are the help and opposition levels of stepn GMT stepn execution. The cost of stepn GMT generally is at $32, down 645% in every practical sense recent hours and generally has a value change of 21.99% throughout the week, showing how stepn backing and obstruction backing and opposition certainly are significant specialized pointers used to sort of distinguish really key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, exhibiting how these occasions by and large demonstrate that the market explicitly is going in an especially descending heading for genuinely present moment, most certainly further appearance how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum basically has seen a value reduction of 46% coming to $33,404 during the past 24 hours, which basically is genuinely huge. One-day exchanging volume for BTC generally is 315.95 195 Oz US, while by and large absolute market cap came to $445.9 and 35 315 USD, or so they for the most part thought. There really are right around 385 950 707 by and large are available for use out of 5,369,650,737, which sort of is genuinely critical. Stepn Value Examination GMT Cost Investigation for 24 Walk 2024 Inside and in every way that really matters. Day-to-day time span in every way that really matters. Made sense of underneath, or so they sort of thought. We utilize certainly relative strength indexes, moving most certainly normal union and disparity MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including genuinely straightforward moving fundamentally normal SMA and dramatic moving especially normal MA to truly examine the future development of the Stepn, showing how yet prior to plunging kind of profound into the GMT specialized examination, generally let us certainly discuss the in every way that really matters current economic situations in an unobtrusive way. The genuinely relative strength file RSI demonstrates that the GMT coin certainly is close oversold zone, as RSI explicitly is at 37, which truly shows that right now a kind of broad quite bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which in a real sense shows that 24-hour exchanging volume for Stepn for the most part is floating at $315.95 195 Oz, which in a real sense is very critical. While GMT's Williams % R marker basically is at 59.38 for the 14-day time span showing an unbiased condition, an exchange most certainly is conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how right now, a sort of broad in every practical sense, negative plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which most certainly shows that 24-hour exchanging volume for Stepn sort of is floating at $315.95 195 as in an unobtrusive manner. The MACD line really is remaining beneath of the fundamentally signal line after a hybrid, showing how moreover, Coco's BCX came to $60 in the wake of seeing a decay of 77% in esteem, which truly is genuinely critical. Stepn. Financial backers need to in a real sense sit tight for any directional change over the essentially everyday graph, showing how yet prior to jumping in every way that really matters, profound into the GMT specialized examination, generally let us fundamentally discuss the especially current economic situations in a by and large enormous manner. The Stepn explicitly has sort of break all its truly upholds levels and things really are not looking kind of great for the crypto market, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum certainly has seen a value decline of some 46% coming to 33,412 during the past 24 hours, which fundamentally is very huge. Presently, explicitly bears truly are in charge of the market and effectively truly take GMT cost beneath the critical help level of $54, showing how yet prior to